So we need to separate the two parts so that we have got the city, Erute South, Erute North as separate areas.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
I know you have been suffering. I know you have been suffering. I'm good for them. I know they have been because the old Lira district,
Lira district kachon,
when they removed the city, one part of the old district remained north, another one remained southeast.
District ko Canada wo too malo, meno can do too pain too south.
So to go from one part of the Lira district to another part, you must go through Lira city.
So me wo to north, me dog to kucha, me dog pay to city.
So people are really stuck.
Me yo petia winya bear.
So we need to separate the two parts.
Me ro pogari ono ko.
So that we have got the city, Erute South, Erute North as separate areas.
Opo Erute South, Erute North, maybe the area rio papa.
Areas which are near one another.
Amedon gindu chok me woregicha.
A consolidated area.
Tebero area menuti not taking carciel.
Because now it is cut into two by the city.
Piena man city pogeo ka rio.
So I support the idea, although I don't normally support the districts, but I support this one.
Need NPD the Rechuaco district eto man and Nechuaco.
I normally like Yomabel rather than district Manyen without Yomabel.
Did remaro Yomabel eto pe district Kaber.
Manyen.
Menanyen.
But this one is rational because Auma and some Ongora have explained that people are really suffering.
Ni manen riegoti ye piena uma kopijelo aktia denuchan. Ni kedi ngola gina uma oneno ni riegoti ye. Achal me achel jo makoberu chala jo gamo flag kere duong lobo. Chal me ario abiru beru chien Jacob kere akacha. The second photo shoot, photo pose will be for Mr. Chen Jacob and Mr. Kasa JB from the media fraternity.
The bus for the sportsmen, you will get that bus. I don't know why you didn't get it.
Ni bus me sport dongo mi ko pengi ngo mi peru tunu.
Thank you.
Boy tutual.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.